Hello everyone. Today we will cover condition handling using logical and condition handling using logical or. So first we should understand what is logical and. The logical and means like if the two conditions are there, both conditions should be true, then only the result will be true. So if true, so in this case it happens like if true, then only it will be true. But if anyone is true and anyone is false, then the condition would be false. So the logic in logical and both should be true to have the true result. Anyone gets false, then the result would be false. But in the logical or is if one is true, another is false, the result would be true. Same cases if the first is false and second is true, the result is true. If both are true, then it will be true. If both are false, then it will be false. So this is what the logical and logical or. Now go to the eclipse. Now here I am taking one integer and that integer I am going to divide by two numbers. One is 5 and another one is 6. So A is divisible by 5 and 6. If yes, then it will print divisible by both number. Second, I'll check if A is only divisible by 5, then it is, we can say it is divisible by 5 only. Same with 6. If A is divisible by 6 only, then we'll say it is divisible by 6. Okay. If not both, then print not exist. So for that, the method I have taken as TC. So under the TC, A is the integer type. Now we'll check the logical expression for logical statement. So if A is divisible by 5 and A is divisible by 6, then it should print that it is divisible by both number. Now let's go to the B, and here I have just created an instance of A class, and so obj.tc, and here I'm just giving the integer. Suppose you will take the 30, which is divisible by both, by 5 or 6. So we'll take this. Now let's execute. So here we can see that it's printing divisible by both numbers. Now, as I said, like the second one we have to write A is only divisible by 5. So now in the case, you just write down like this. So in this case, if A is only divisible by 5, so what will I write? Divisible by 5 only. 5 only. probably we can write as else if a is divisible by 6. So if it is divisible by 6, then we will just print it is divisible by 6 only. And if not, both, means if it is not divisible by both number, either by both number a 5 or 6, then we'll say else it will print that not divisible. So not divisible. Now let's see the condition one by one. So in the B, the double quote, that closed double quote was missing. Since I've taken the 30 which is divisible by both numbers, that's the reason it is printed. Now I'll take as a 50. I'll take as a 50. So this 15 is basically, if you see, then it is only divisible by 5, not by 6. So if we execute this, it will print as divisible by 5 only. See. And instead of this 15, we give some number like 21, which is only divisible by 6. Now, if we execute this, we'll see it is divisible by. Okay, fine. Because it's we have taken 21. This 21 is not divisible by 6 also, right? Because you just take, suppose if we take 80, then if we just execute this, so 6 3s are 18, so that's the reason it is divisible by 6 only. But earlier I have taken the value as a 21. So like in the multiple of 5, you will not find any 21, or even in the, if you in the multiple of 6, you will not find 21. So that's the reason if we execute this, then we'll see not divisible. So this is how, like, this is how the AND conditions work, logical AND condition works. And if you replace this AND with the double pipelines, so it represents a logical OR. As I said, in the logical OR, any condition should be true to have the result true. So suppose if I take, so here, like, we have to change the print message divisible either by 5 or 6. Now since I have taken OR, so any condition should be true. So go to the B, and here suppose if I take as 15. So this 15 is basically divided by, or it is divisible by 5 only. So when you try to execute this, so it is saying divisible either by 5 or 6. You take any number, for example, you take 18. Now this 18 is divisible by 6 only, right? So since when it executes, first it will just check, first it checks that from the if conditions. So since you have taken 18 and this condition will be true, so it will go into this and it will print this command divisible either by 5 or 6. So now execute. So you will find the result. So it has printed divisible either by 5 or 6. So this is what the logical and logical OR works. Hope you like it. Thank you.